So this is the pinwheel base. It kind of looks like a 4-pointed star, or in other words, a ninja star. So for starters, we fold the paper horizontally and vertically into halves. So we get 4 equal quarters. Then we flip the paper around so that the halves which we just created are mountain folds. Now we fold this bottom edge to the center like that. Make sure that this edge aligns really well with the center, and you make precise and sharp folds. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Just like that. These both edges have to align with each other. Now after we are done with this, we fold the paper just like that, so that we ensure that the folds are proper. Now we unfold these 2 flaps and do the same steps on these 2 edges.
So apart from aligning the center piece with the center point and the edge with the center piece, another guideline would be aligning this edge, like this one which we just created, with the center, so that this is in one line, this valley fold and this valley.
Here should be the same. We do this on both the sides so that the basic folds for this base are accomplished. Right after doing this, we don't unfold these 2 flaps now. We fold it in half once again just to check if it's all aligned. And our next step is to fold these 2 flaps down so that this entire edge aligns with the center. Like that. So just for reference, this is basically just this fold which we had previously made. It's like that and like that. Easy, right? Now we do the same on this side. Make sure to run your fingernail over it once again. And now we're gonna fold these corners so that it aligns with this point over here. So this basically means this edge aligning with the center on this side, like that. So it's like a paper airplane fold, and we do this on the other side as well, like that, and make it really sharp. Do the same on this side. It aligns really well and it kind of looks symmetric. Now our next step is really important. Showing it at this angle, we have to take this flap, this raw edge over here, and pull it out. And at the same time, we have to hold this side down. So we pull this whole thing out and put it on the right. Do the same for this. Pick it up, pull it out, put it down, and put it on the left. Now we do the same on the other side.
So it's quite simple. You just pull it out like that, and do the same on the other side. And run your fingernail over all these folds. After we have a shape like this,
the completed pinwheel base.